We have to prepare an invoice the way the picture is given here. I had chosen if you come to view, one method of seeing this worksheet is this is called the normal view. So when I do that, I do not know whether this invoice will fit in one page. Another method of viewing it is view page break view. And one more is page layout view. In page layout view, you can see that this is fitting in this page. Up to here is one page. So this is the place available for me to fit in. So I need to ensure that invoice is prepared in such a manner that it doesn't go beyond this page, because if some of it comes this side, it will be printed in two pages. Let us go ahead with it. First, let us say Varun Associates Limited is the name of the company. I'll choose some other name. So for that, let me choose how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are required. I want to select these 5 columns. And because this heading, I don't need to do any processing of data. Like you don't have to do sort and filter using this one. I can as well come here, format cells. Then I can say merge cells. Cells have become one. Now I'll put one name, double click on this one. I'll call my company a different name. I'll call it as Agar Edge. Choose your name. Then I want a heading also. So I want heading to come in the same cell. So Alt Enter. Um, City Center Mall. City Center Mall is the Rock SR Road. Bungalow 75001. Another Alt Enter. And then I'll put phone 0824 is the code. Then 56487 some random numbers. That becomes the heading. Now I want this heading to be center. So right click, format cells, alignment, not general. Alignment is center in the horizontal and center in the vertical. That brings it to the center. This one I want to be bold, home, bold, and increase the size. Then this one also can be a different size. Home, increase it to. I want it. I can increase it by like this also. Now I got page up to here, so I can do that by this. Now I know that I now need for second column I need more space. So I'll come here. Second column I need more, and I need maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This also can be a little more, so that it fits into the page, not go beyond the page. 1, 1, 2, 4, 5. There is still place. I can increase here and there. No, it here so that I know that I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Column also I don't need. I can delete. Let me increase here also again. Yeah, now it is in 5 columns, like this 5 columns. I can increase the width, height of this here. That takes care of. Now write invoice number as we written here. So I want invoice number, then comes invoice date, due date, bill to, address, phone. In this column, I need to put invoice number, and I can maybe so let me put invoice number, whatever is written there in which invoice number 2025-01 date. Maybe I can put 14th, 1st, 25. Then due date is 31st, 1st, 25. Mr. Varun Rao, address to 12 Rajiv Store, Rajiv Building, or whatever it is. So I need this extra space here. So I do not have the space. So what I can do is I can come to Rajiv, and then wherever Rajiv Building is there, then I put enter, comma, alt enter to the next line. So that is address. Phone number 0824 number, some number. Next comes item table. So let us give one space here. I want full this thing to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the right click, format cells, merge cells. Okay. I can put a color also. Here I have to put a color. Here also I have to put a color. First let me put format cells, fill color. There are more colors available here. So I can choose something subtle. Okay. Okay. The same color can be pasted here. Going here. Then this one here. Right click. More color. Okay. Colors come there. I need a border also here. Home, border, outside border. Something to be more height. I want more. The height, no, this much is not required. Then what do I put here? I put item table. Item table has be centered. Format cells. Alignment. Center for the vertical. Center for the horizontal both. Now this is a format cells. Not bottom. It is center. Okay. Then font can be bold, increase little bit, and bold. This heading. Then you got headings for this one. Item number. Next heading is description of the item, quantity, unit price, and total price. This can be like I need up to here, maybe 5, 6 of them. And then I can put the border here, format, the border, all border. The proper. Then one I type here, I type 2 here, select these two, and then drag it so that I got whatever the number. Then I'll put items here. This item, I can any other item also. Keyboard number, I want keyboard 3 numbers. Each item costing 700 rupees. And here I have to put a formula is equal to 3 into 700. And these need to be formatted. Click format cells. They are numbers, but they are counting 0 rupee symbol. Another item will take top bag, 3 bags, each costing 1500. And this one I can drag it here. I'm maybe having 5 items. Right now it is 0 because third item will take mouse, 10 mouse, each costing 300. Then we'll take cable costing cable 4 numbers, each cable costing 250 rupees has come. And one more item will take pen drive. And 2 pen drives costing 200 rupees. Now we'll say here grand total. And total is nothing but is equal to sum of this many. Then we'll say GST at 18%. So that will be is equal to 18% star this value that comes at 90. So grand total combination of these two, sum of the total sales plus sum of these two numbers. Then I can put this also into so that it looks neater. Only an outside bracket. Outside bracket, all border, not all border. I should put outside border, close in a border. Maybe I can put separate border for this one. Home border or no border. It is same thing for this. Now this has to come. Name of the person who is going to sign. What is the designation of the person? What is the signature? Signature. Paste if you want. No. Or his name is Sagar. Sagar. Or nation sales executive. And some signature. If I do not want these grid lines to come, I can do that for the entire worksheet. So there is a place called grid lines. If I remove grid lines, all of them will disappear. That sheet will be done for part. You see, what will be done for worksheet. What is the font size here? You want to increase this a little bit. I can do that. If I increase a little more, what will happen? Each? No. Let me put the border for this also. Border for where all view normal. for the entire invoice of my invoice. Home border outside border has come. This is how the invoice looks. Maybe I can. This being a text, it is left justified. These are two dates is right justified. So I need all of them to be either left or right justified, otherwise it doesn't look nice. So I can use this one. I can use center, doesn't look nice. This one, but I think this is better. So this finishes the invoice preparation part. If I don't have, I mean, it is a pre-printed form, so even if it is 789 is there, it is okay. And you can see here it is the formula, the formulas, one more formula. This is one more formula, also formula.